Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, July 27, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. What about you?
Not too bad, just need this coffee to kick in. Got a busy day?
Yeah, I've got a long meeting this morning. How about you?
Oh, the usual. A bunch of client calls to get through. Man, I'm already tired thinking about it. How do you stay so calm?
I just take it one step at a time. Coffee helps too.
True, this machine is my best friend. Can't start without it.
Same here. It's the only way to survive the early hours.
Hey, did you catch the news about that big trade deal? Something with the US and Japan, I think?
Yeah? I read about the US-Japan trade deal. They agreed on lower tariffs, around 15%.
That's cool. Maybe it means cheaper stuff for us to sell.
Could be. It might lower costs for a lot of businesses.
I hope so. My clients are always asking for better prices.
I get that. It could make some of my projects cheaper to run too.
Yeah, but I bet the big companies get the best deals first. Us small guys always wait.
That's often how it goes. I wonder if smaller businesses will see benefits soon.
Fingers crossed. I just want easier sales without breaking the bank.
Same? It's good for the economy if it works for everyone.
Totally. Hey, if prices drop, maybe I can take a vacation.
Dream big. But yeah, it could help in many ways.
Speaking of helping, did you hear about the new tech stuff? Some app for organizing work?
Oh yes, I saw news about new productivity apps. They help you manage tasks and time.
Man, I need that so bad. My desk looks like a paper explosion.
I know what you mean. These apps connect to your phone and computer?
That sounds awesome. Can they remind me about deadlines?
Yeah, most of them send alerts. It's great for staying on track.
I'm sold. I forget half my tasks by lunch.
You'll like it then. Some even let you share lists with your team.
Oh, that's perfect. Maybe my boss will stop asking where I'm at.
Haha, it might help. It's nice for keeping everyone in the loop.
In the loop is where I need to be. I'm always behind.
Don't worry, these apps make it easier. You'll catch up.
I hope so. Hey, changing topics, did you see that celebrity thing on the news?
You mean the charity event for education? Yeah, some big stars raise money for schools.
Yeah, that's so cool. I think they got a huge amount for kids' programs.
It's great to see. Education really needs more support like that.
For sure. I remember school with old books and no supplies.
Me too. Events like this can make a big difference for students.
Totally. Kids today need all the help they can get.
Agreed. It's nice when famous people use their power for good.
Yeah, I wish I had that kind of money. I'd help out too.
Haha, start saving now. But it's inspiring to see.
Inspiring, but I'm broke. This coffee is my only donation right now.
Same here. At least we support the coffee company.
True, they're getting rich off us. But hey, it's worth it.
Definitely. This break is the best part of my morning.
Same. Just standing here chatting makes the day better.
It does. A little break keeps me going.
Hey, going back to that trade deal. Do you think it'll change much for us soon?
Hard to say. It might take time to see the real impact.
Yeah, I guess. I just hope my sales numbers look better.
I'm sure they will. Lower costs could mean more deals.
That's the plan. I need to impress the boss this month.
You'll get there. Just keep pushing.
Thanks, Alex. You always got the good advice.
I try. You've got this.
Speaking of trying, I'm gonna try that app today. What's it called again?
I don't remember the exact name, but look for productivity apps online.
Got it. I'll search during lunch.
Good idea. Let me know if it helps.
Will do. If it works, I owe you a coffee.
Hi, deal. I'll hold you to that.
Hey, about that charity event. Do you think it'll happen again next year?
I hope so. They seem to get bigger every time.
Yeah. More money for schools is always good. Kids deserve it.
They do. It's nice to see people care about the future.
For sure. Maybe one day we'll go to an event like that.
If we save enough. But yeah, that'd be fun.
Dream big, right? For now, I'll just watch it on TV.
Same here. It's still nice to know it's happening.
Totally. Hey, I've been talking too much. Got to get to my desk.
Me too. I need to prep for that meeting.
All right, catch up later. Have a good day.
You too, David? Take it easy.
See you around. Don't work too hard.
I'll try not to. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.